We know the natural numbers are start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And you know first natural number is 1. Now let us ask, I will ask you one question. Suppose you take one natural number 3 plus some number you add, so that if you add this number 3 plus this number, I must get 3, and this number should be there in natural numbers, counting numbers. We will see that 3 plus, here if you take the lowest number as 1, here counting number, first counting number is 1. So we will find in this group of numbers, such number do not exist. Therefore, there is a need for some more numbers. What are those numbers? Which include what we call 0, which is called 0 added. 0, when you combine with the counting numbers, we will get these numbers are called whole numbers. What we call whole numbers. That means, and these are natural numbers. The questions I asked, now what is the first whole number? 0. Now let us try to answer this question. 3 plus which number gives me 3? So obviously the answer is 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. So this is one of the property which is missing in natural number, and it is found in the case of whole numbers. Now let us draw the number line. Number line. So to draw a number line, all of you should take scale and draw this. Line means you should have arrows on either side. Somewhere you mark 0. Then keep scale at this point and keep 1 centimeter. 1, from here 2, from here 3, from here 4 and so on, like this. So this is the number line what we have. Suppose I want to draw number line for only natural number, then we will not write this 0. Now let us discuss one small day-to-day life problem for the classroom. For example, one student is celebrating the birthday. The boy wants to give some chocolates to all the students. So there are 20 boys and 25 girls. There are 20 boys and 25 girls. And he wants to distribute 2 chocolates for each of his friends. So how many chocolates? So 2 chocolates for, or 2 cakes, we can say 2 cakes for each student. So boys, there are 20 boys are there. So how many cakes he will give? 20 into 2 he will give. Okay. Then for girls, 25 into 2. So how many cakes he will buy for total he will buy? What we do? Here we will take 40 for boys and 50 for girls, adding both. So we will get here 90 cakes he has to purchase for his friends, including himself. So this problem, what he is doing is, he is distributing something to two types of students, that is boys as well as girls. So how do we do this in mathematics? In a different way we will try to do it. So how to do it? Say, for example, say I will write here 2 he is giving for how many children total? 20 boys are there and 25 girls are there. 2 is distributing. So in maths we'll write this, the bracket here, and 20 plus 25. So this is nothing but 2 into 45. So when you multiply 2 into 45, we get 90. So this property is known as distributive property. Distributive property. Let us see how to use this distributive property to find some values. For example, I have a number like this, 107 into 59 plus 107 into 41. I want to find what is the value of this. You see here, 107 into 59, if I multiply it will take lot of time. Similarly, 107 into 41, it takes a lot of time. But you see, there is a common number in both. That is what number? 107. So you take 107 into, what is the numbers here? 59 is the first number plus 41 is the second number. Now let us try to recollect the previous example. Boys and girls, and 107 is how many cakes is giving. The example which I explained. So 107 with 59, 107 with 41. So there is a common number 107 which we write outside. Now you see what happens. 107, 59 plus 41 is 100, and you know multiplication with 100 is very easy. The answer is 107 followed by 2 zeros. Now let us see another example. Say I want to find 43 into 1003 using a property, suitable property. Already we have learned how to find some values by suitable rearrangement in addition and multiplication. Now you see again there is a number here, two numbers are there, 43 and 1003. Now concentrate on this number 1003. So this number is 3 more than 1000. 3 more than 1000 if I write like this. What happens now? See, if I multiply 43 into 1003, it takes lot of time. Now we have to simplify this in a very easy way. So I am breaking up this big number into two small numbers, 1000 and 3. Why? Because multiplication with 1000 is very easy. Now the previous example, there are two numbers, we took the common number out. Now what we do, we'll take this number, that is 43 cakes. I'll give it to the boys and girls. So how to distribute now? 43 distributed to 1000 plus 43 into 3. So this is the distribution. So first with this fellow, then again with this fellow. So when we do this, again you know this multiplication is easy. You will get 43 followed by 3 zeros, and 43 into 3 is very easy multiplication. This is 129. Now summing up these two, you get 43,129 is the answer. So here we use the distributive property. So here 1003 we have split as 1000 plus 3, and we are distributing 43 to both 1000 and 3. So in the previous example also this was given, we were going in the backward direction, this one, and then we are getting this one. So product. So the final answer is 43,129.